Welcome to the Chiefs Way. Now mash that subscribe button or drop and give me 50! Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how I repair my deck garden. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Okay YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to fix the rain gauge that's used to show how much water is in the reservoir in the bottom of this Vigoro deck garden. After a while, this thing just breaks off, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, the things we're going to need is we're going to need the broken piece, we're going to need a wire tie, we're going to need some heat shrink that will fit the broken piece. You need some diagonal cutters, set of needle nose, a heat gun, and some extension cord. So now that we got everything we need together, let's go ahead and see what the process is going to be. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is use a needle nose, reach down there and grab and pull up like the plunger rod. Okay, and once I get that, once it's up, I'm going to take a wire tie and tie it around it to keep it from dropping back down in. Okay, I got the wire tie attached on there now, just wrapped around it, and that's holding it from dropping back down in there. Okay, now I'll select the correct size of heat shrink, and we'll go ahead and we'll get that on the broken piece and then on the float shaft that we got over there tied up. Okay, I got the heat shrink on there. All I got to do is set up the heat gun now and start shrinking it. Okay, I got the heat gun. I'm going to turn it on. Let it get hot for a second. And now I'm going to shrink this heat shrink all the way around. I don't want to get too close, it'll overheat it. Okay. All right, I think that's good, so I'll turn it off. Now let's see. Okay, that's on there pretty good. Okay. It's got some flex to it, but that's okay. All right, so we got one more step and we'll be done. Okay, what I got to do is now use my diagonal cutters and remove that wire tie. Okay, the wire tie has been removed. The plunger is back down in there, and you can see it's attached now. It's got a little bit of flexibility to it, so that's good. And it'll now be able to rise up and show us what the water level is. Okay, if I've helped you out with my videos, this is in the third of a series of the repairs. The first video we did, we fixed these straps that break over the winter because of freezing. Second video, we fixed the leaky drain. And now this video, we fixed the broken rain gauge. So if I'm helping you out with your gardens, please take a second and like and subscribe. And if you really like the channel, hit that super thanks button and support the channel. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.